Today, I'm gonna show you how much money you can realistically make from a Roblox game as a small game developer. This is a game I made called Build the North Pole. I stopped updating it a month ago, so it died off now, but at its peak it had around 30 CCU, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see here, it currently has 0 CCU because I stopped updating it, but I do have a plan to revive it, so as you can see here I already have an event plan. But that's besides the point. The game took me 2 weeks to make, and I'm gonna show you exactly how much Robux it generated. I'm not here to waste your time, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. If we head over to the monetization overview, we can see that the game made around 43,371 Robux in the last 90 days, which in reality was in the span of a month, as you can see here. Started getting earnings around here and stopped around here, which was a month and 8 days. And after that, as you can see here, the game died since I stopped updating it and promoting it, which I did with YouTube Shorts, by the way, so that was completely free to do and I didn't have to spend any money on ads. So all of this earned Robux is just from free advertising from YouTube Shorts. I didn't spend any money on ads or anything like that. As you can see here from revenue sources, most of the Robux came from developer products, which made me 31k Robux, and from passes I made 23k Robux. So basically that's it. If you want to start making Roblox games as a solo developer with no experience, this is what you can expect to get out of it. I'd say it's definitely worth it, as you can scale this a lot.